Welcome to our channel guys. I hope you are liking my video. If you like, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get all the notification regarding IELTS exam. Guys, today I am going to share 8 main tips so that you can improve your IELTS speaking and grab the more than 8 band 7 band. So most of the students are lagging behind in the speaking exam because in India the native language is Hindi as well as Punjabi, Malayalam and other languages, so they can't speak English well. So these are the main tips so that you can learn the English, how to speak the English very well. So without any wait, let's get started. That most importantly, watch the video completely at the end of the slide so that you can know the proper method to speak the English well. So first tip is understand the subject as a English, not as a test or a subject. As you know that English is conducted, IELTS is English test. So don't think as a test, understand as a language, that you are learning a language, you are learning a grammar, you are learning different rules of the grammar, different rules of the English. So try to think that it is the language, not grab to try to complete the test. So it will also change your mind that you are learning English by heart, not for the test only. So next one is create environment at home also, like as you are speaking English and practicing in the institute centers, and different centers are also available for practicing the English. So you only speak for the 2 and 3 hours in a day. So try to create environment at home with your family, with your friends, so that you can speak English very well. Your practice should be is so fast so that you can your speaking skill is very good. So next one is change your thought process. Thought process mean, if you look around the things, everything, try to say them in English. What is the meaning of this? As if you have woken up in wake up in the morning and you see the cup of tea and anything else, try to speak about them in English only. Think about your daily work. You do the daily work, domestic chores, anything else. You, for example, you repair the car and anything else, think about that English, how to we can speak that work in English, how can we communicate about that work in English. Apart from this, think about the new activity you do in daily in English, which activity you can do to improve your English skills also. If you do these tasks, you have plenty of statements with your in your mind. So try to write down the and make the paragraph of these. So if you have made the paragraph, use the free tools like autocorrect. Grammarly is a free tool to find out the mistakes in that paragraph and speak everything you speak. So try to record it and check regularly whether it is the correct or not. These are the main process to learn English very well, to speak English very well in order to improve the speaking skills. Next one is listen to English. So whether it is podcast, movies, videos, you have to learn it in English. That is Hollywood movies are also good way to improve your English languages. So by watching hundred of video, you can make the habit in your mind that you are speaking, you are listening as a native language also. Your mind will catch your English word very soon, that you are liking in your, that someone is speaking and speaking like in the native languages. Next one is never ever try to copy the accent of others. For example, someone say the schedule, someone say the schedule. So do don't copy the style of the foreigners. It will be make your English so weak. So someone say tomatoes, someone say tomato, and both are correct. Don't try to copy the accent of the other person if you want to improve the English. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like these tips, hit that like button and comment any question if you have anyone. So let's move further. Be a part of the community. Part Become the part of the community. There are lot of online communities are there who will help you to improve your grammar skill, communication skills, speaking skills. Moreover, they will talk in English, and your speaking will be also improved, and grammar will be also improved. So there are so many Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups which help you to improve the English very well. And last one is take the feedback also. So feedback, as you know, that feedback is the breakfast of the champion. And so take the feedback, which mistakes you are doing, in which sentence you have been doing the so many mistakes, which sentence you have spoken incorrectly. So try to record your answer and evaluate as much as possible. So these tips will be help you to improve the also speaking skill. And apart from this, count the words per minute. Most importantly, how can you count the words that, for example, you have spoken for 1 minute, and record it in your phone, mobile phone, or any other device, and count how many words you have spoken in the 1 minute. So that will also help to improve your skills, and check how many words you can speak in a 1 minute. So these are the main tips. So if you have liked my video, share this video as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button in order to get all the notification regarding IELTS exams and immigration purpose, and also evaluate the tips and tricks regarding to crack the IELTS exam. So thank you for watching. Thanks.